Right. Back to square one. That level is bent. So I was putting it one side, getting level, then going to the front, and it wasn't level, so I was coming back, and it was a nightmare. And I thought that what was happening was that the chassis was bent like that, which can happen, right? And that will always give you a weird reading, but it's not. The chassis is sound. It's a bloody level, so you have to be careful. And today is one of those days when I started in the morning. The angle grinder didn't work. I had to fix it. Anyway, I got this other level, which is not very good, but it is. It gives you a level reading every time, and you can see it doesn't reach the two sides, but I got a straight edge, a piece of steel which is straight, and as you can see that's level, and that's what I was going to show you. I put the level on the wheels, where the wheels go, right? The shock absorbers, right? As you can see, this side also level, which means I could actually go here onto onto what I was doing with the extensions of the chassis. Yeah? And you see, and once I had it level, which was the other video. Ow! Just dropped that piece of steel on my finger. It's not a good Monday today. I could weld it, right? So I welded it, I extended it now. I need to offer the bumper on it. See how it looks from the front, because sometimes you may need to correct visually a bit and then cut it to the length from the shock absorber mount to the end of the Jeep, copying the other Jeep, which is about 425, I think, if I remember properly. Anyway, that's it. I'm not making any more videos today. See you soon.